Imagine a tool that transforms chaos into clarity in education. Educational taxonomies do just that by classifying learning objectives into levels of complexity. They are the unsung heroes guiding educators in shaping effective learning experiences. These frameworks are vital tools for educators, offering a roadmap to navigate the intricate landscape of student learning. By organizing objectives, they ensure that teaching is both progressive and measurable, paving the way for student success. Educational taxonomies are hierarchical, each level representing a step up in cognitive complexity. Bloom's taxonomy, for instance, starts with basic recall and ascends to higher-order thinking, illustrating the journey from simple to complex learning. These taxonomies describe a spectrum of cognitive abilities, from memorization to critical thinking. They allow educators to design targeted learning experiences, ensuring students develop a comprehensive skill set. Taxonomies provide clarity and organization in setting learning goals. They guide curriculum design and assessment strategies, ensuring that students master both foundational and advanced skills, creating a balanced educational experience. By aligning teaching methods with learning objectives, taxonomies ensure that assessments accurately measure student abilities. They focus on both basic knowledge and complex skills, fostering a well-rounded intellectual development. Taxonomies promote intellectual growth and critical thinking by targeting diverse cognitive processes. They craft assessments that measure various learning levels, ensuring students are challenged and supported in their educational journey. By aligning curriculum, instruction, and assessment, taxonomies create a cohesive learning environment. Embrace these frameworks to enhance your educational strategies and foster comprehensive